Touching down in Jamaica, there's a friend waiting for you. At Aurum Transfers, we're more than a ride. We're your first friend on the island. Whether you're flying in from New York, London, or Toronto, your journey begins with peace of mind. We specialize in pre-booked airport transfers, private resort arrivals, intercity charters, and smooth rides across Jamaica, from the bustling streets of Kingston to the breezy cliffs of Negro. But what sets us apart? It's not just the sleek vehicles or punctual service. It's the feeling, the kind you only get when someone's got your back. The kind you get from a friend. From online booking to in-person welcome, our team is local, professional, and personal. We're your concierge, your guide, your quiet reassurance in a new place. Booking is effortless. Choose your date, set your time, tell us where to meet you. We'll handle the rest, with care, charm, and the rhythm of the island. Aurum Transfers, your friend in Jamaica, where every ride is more than a journey. It's a welcome, an experience, and a promise. Book now at aurum-transfers.com. Relax, we'll be there.